Okay, hey, my group, let's go. We're gonna go to lunch. No, just leave it. Just leave it. We'll come right back. All right, let's go. Are we missing anyone? Boys. Boys. Come sit next to me. Get over here. Come sit next to me. Right now. Yeah, this is everyone. This is everyone. That student that they put on there, he won't be attending with us. He's gonna be in room 207. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Thank you. Miss M has extra lunches. So if you need a lunch, if you don't have one, talk to Miss M. She should have extra lunch. Keep him up. Keep him up.
Okay, that last one was so relatable. Okay, next.
If you don't like me, that's fine. But, you know, watch your mouth.
I'm not saying that's false, but
And what is that, bro?
Why though? Why? Why would they do that? I don't like it. I don't like it. I really don't.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
Okay. Ooh. Yes. Yes.
You
Okay. Good job. That one was good.
Mike Jones, Michael Jones, I need you. Yes, go ahead and pack up everything, all of your belongings. You're gonna come with me. What are you guys reading? Oh, so we got the Blueprint series, and you said Judah B. Jones? Oh, nice. Tell them we'll be in our office in about 10 minutes. 10 minutes, yes. Mr. Jones, is that everything? Is that your jacket in the back? Yes, you're gonna need that. Yeah, you got a long way ahead of you, mister. Yes. I have Mr. Jones, and we're headed back to the office now. It's 10-4. All right, thank you, Miss Johnson. You guys be smart.
Oh gosh. It's that feeling. Whenever you get called to the principal's office, you don't know what you did. You think it's something bad, but then you're just like, oh, you have been doing so well in class. Here's the donut. Not saying that has ever happened to me. Could have happened to any other child because I'm not a good child, but still.
All right, guys, let's get started. One second. All right, let's get started.
that part when she said, sorry. Yes. Okay, teachers and students desperately trying to finish school. Summer break. Oh, wait. Yeah.
The bell does not dismiss you. I do. I dismiss you, not the bell. Please sit down.
I'm not even...
Okay, you can go ahead. Go ahead. Have a nice day. Go to the next period.
Huh. Alright.
So just
Don't get overwhelmed when you make it out, then you'll be just fine. Promise you don't have to worry about a thing. Don't let it break you down. You got me by your side. Okay.
Ashley, can I copy your notes from yesterday?
When you need to copy someone else's notes,
Yeah,
but
of course.
you can't understand their handwriting.
What's wrong? Nothing.
The lean into look. It's just no. Sorry.
What are you doing? I can't understand any of this. What do you mean? Your handwriting. What is this? Just copy it. What does that say? I don't know. How do you not understand your own handwriting? Just put whatever down. What is this letter? I have no idea. Are you serious? You're being so dramatic. What do you want me to do? Copy the shapes and lines? I guess. What's this word? I don't know. No, but here, never mind. Take it back.
Okay, class, please take out a pencil and paper
Never mind. Just take it back. Take it back. Yeah.
and study your textbooks. Now please take out the Chromebook located under your desk and complete my online assignment and any missing assignments you have. And then please do some practice problems in your journal.
Oh, jeez. No, not the AirPods. Not the Air. You did it. You did the AirPods. Oh, of course. You're already done. Of course you are. Oh, the little calculator and the little binder. Why? Why though? Why do they have it?
Check these grades.
Okay, just so you know, I don't think the teachers updated all the grades yet, so...
Lee, I'm not playing with you. You have any bad grades? I'm tearing that ass up. No discussion. How do you have a 37% math?
The whole class is failing!
So you telling me everybody in that damn class got a 37%?
Yes!
Lee, how do you have a... God, Lee, you literally are on Zoom class. You at the damn house when you're doing it at school. Are you on YouTube when you're doing this shit?
No.
Well, since everybody got the damn 37%, call them up, because I'm going to whoop everybody's ass. Come here. Get over. Give me your hand. Give me that ass.
Okay, I don't understand that one. That I didn't get to finish. Oh yeah, bro. Thanks. Yes. Yes, very.
All right, so for the students that paid for the pizza party, you guys will be in here with me. We're going to put on the movie, and we're going to have our pizza. For the rest of you, listen up. You guys will be going to room 207. 207. So you guys can actually get...
See, in my school, we didn't have numbers like that. We knew our periods because we got a piece of paper that said what our teacher's name was. Be like, this is your period. Their name is, let's just say, no, that's a first name. Miss Wilson, Mr. Wilson, whatever.
Get up and go there now. What's up, Grayson? You paid? Who did you get? I don't remember you giving it to me. Who did you give it to? Okay, well, sit right here. I'll check for you. Yeah, we're gonna start right now. All right, guys, let's...
That shit was weak as a... Oh, shit!
Shut up, you fat bitch. What are you gonna do? Cry about it? You gonna cry about it? You stupid fucking bitch. How about you just go kill...
Hubby, I'm tired.
No cursing. No.
You tired? Want to take a nap on my chest? Yes, please. Here, you can use my chest as a pillow to rest your cute face. You are so sweet, cotton swab. You are sweeter, sugar booger. Can you give me head rubs? Here you go.
Hey y'all, what's up? Can I sit with y'all? All right. So, what's for lunch? Graham crackers? I'm so jealous. You got peanut M&Ms, and you're not sharing. Can I have one? Thank you. Where's your lunch? You don't have any? Oh, come here. Go get yourself something, okay? All right, well, I gotta go. But you guys have a good time, and I'll see y'all in class on time. All right, bye, y'all. All right. Hey, y'all.
The laugh. The laugh.
Ladies, why are we packing up? Why are we packing? We still have 2 minutes. 2 full minutes. That's wonderful lesson time right there. Who is at the door? What are we doing? No. Come sit back down. You guys will be the last to be dismissed. Come sit back down. Okay, everyone, please pick up 10 scraps and put them in the trash for me, okay, guys?
So true. The trash scraps. You're standing up. You're the last one to leave now. Hey, we got 2 full minutes left of class. That's good lesson time. Like, really?
That is your exit ticket, okay, guys? Okay, guys.
See, that trash thingy is your exit ticket. Exactly.
No, where are we everyone sit back down. Sit back down. We're going to do something fun today. Okay, guys? If you're wearing a t-shirt, you can go. If you're wearing blue, you can go.
Seriously, if you're wearing blue, you can go. Go. If you're wearing a t-shirt, you can go. That's stupid.
If you're wearing purple, you can go. No, it doesn't count if it's on your shoes. No.
No, it doesn't count if it's on your shoes. It is all relatable. That one video is all relatable. That's the most relatable I've seen today.
Yeah. Bad bitty, and she love the way I'm smacking. Everywhere I go, they be like, yeah, what happened? Look,
School is nearly over and the dang teachers are still assigning work. What the frick?
Easy grade, guys, okay?
No one teacher's doing anything.
Easy grade, do it at the end. Busy.
oh, time to hit the hay.
Do you want a slice of this pizza? Okay. I'm gonna grab the lights. Hold on, let me get the lights. I'm gonna grab the lights.
Why do you lick your fingers? Ow. My freaking eye. But why?
Honey.
Close your eyes and let the word paint 1,000 pictures.
Oh no! No! My fifth grade crew. Cheating on one assignment, so. The bus rides home from elementary, middle school. So fun for no reason.
Dude, why does everybody have jackets on? It's literally
Middle school boys when it's
you think this is cold?
negative 10 degrees
no, Miss Smith, I
outside.
will not put on a jacket. I'm literally not cold. I'm not going to get sick. You guys are wussies. Literally, I don't even think snow is cold. Like, I can just, like, not even cold at all. What? I was not shivering. I was not shivering. Stop fight. Oh, calm down. It's literally not even cold. What?
Okay, that is all I have for today. And I hope you all enjoyed being relatable with me in school. Bye.